Hi, today I'm going to show you the fidget spinners that's in my house. This one is a yellow one. See? Show you proof it's real. See? Put it down. And, oh, a Batman one. See? I got my cousin. If you guys watch me from Musically, make sure to go on JVandKing77 on Musically. Follow him. Follow Christian. Follow Isabella. Follow Brian. It's okay if you don't follow me. I don't really care. Well, thank you for watching. I'm sorry this is such a short video, but I'm sorry, okay? Bye!